Berry Motor World, baby. Here we got that M series pulling in, baby. That X5M, baby. You feel what I'm talking about? You don't see it. You don't see it. You don't see it, baby. You don't see it. Damn. Look at that there. Yeah, boy. Gonna do some brake pads and an oil change. You feel what I'm talking about? Stay tuned. Oh yeah, I gotta get y'all side by side. The beast. Okay. What was her name again?
Black Mama.
Black Mama. Y'all see the Black Mama, baby. Stay tuned. Alright, we got the goddamn wheels off. We're finna take the battery out. This is how the commits to take the battery out. So, let me set y'all up. Oh yeah, this here comes out. It laps over this. It's what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws. 5 screws, and then you come up with it. Let me see. 10 millimeter. And it's like right here. That's it. Pretty decent long bolt. I'm gonna need a long extension to get down in here for this one. Okay. That freeze, just break it up.
This 2017 when I do all these, take the
alright, it's some clamps. You're gonna pry towards you. Come up with it. All this is connected to one. So see, and that pops up off the whole battery. Alright. Then we're gonna hit the negative. Alright. And that frees that. Now the battery is free. Now you can get it right here, but I think I'm gonna try to fish the battery out from here. Really? You can come right here, man. So it's the same thing. 13 will be the same thing. And that way, you feel what I'm saying? Slide that like that. Put the bolt back on it. Alright. Down here. Right there, you see there? That there's another 10 millimeter, I think. Battery be locked in, man. I mean, for real. Alright, now the battery is absolutely free, y'all. Shit. Alright, now we're gonna drop the oil. Oil filter, drain plug on the M series. It's a little different on the regular one. So, let me get my pan. Alright, y'all. We on the driver's side. The driver's side has a brake pad sensor. So with this, you're gonna hit these pins out. And the spring hose clamps onto the pins. So you gotta what I do is come in with this one. Oh, it's easier once you get the top out. You get the top out. And that's how it goes. See, this clamps on top of that. Alright. Now, like I said, if it ain't touched the brake pad sensor, you do not have to buy a new brake pad sensor. That's just a waste of money. So, let me get my little pliers so I can come out with it. See right here? You can take it, put it in here. Pry it against the what's name. And that way, on my hand, see how you can take it, put it in there, pry that against the what's name, and then push the caliper back.
Who's taking?
You know what I'm saying?
You talking to the camera, I thought you talking to me.
Oh, well, you too then, shit, since you're standing right there. Yeah. That was just for, cause they, yeah. All right, we just take them, pull it out. You got the brake, bro? The brake pad.
Oh, yeah.
All right, new brake pads.
I need the BMW
Gonna come in with one right here.
Because he still got a warranty. They probably better for them, but they sent them the wrong battery. That's why I still got a warranty on it.
All right.
Alright.
Yeah, what? Alright, I'm gonna call you when I leave. Alright.
Alright, and then you're gonna take the sensor and you just go, get out of the way, you just go put it back in the spot. Make sure it's in the spot good, and we good. Alright, that's the front.
I know I did.
Say sorry, and when you return again, they go right back to blatant disrespect and degradation. And let us not forget that coolest monkey in the jungle fiasco from a few years back. The truth be told, if you can afford to spend $30,000 on design and give a business
Sound seal delivered. Finna go on a quick test run. You know what I'm saying? All right.